Bonnie. I have got fall FabFitFun for you guys. This is pretty cool. I love FabFitFun. $49 for the box every quarter. You get like $300 worth of stuff. Usually my mom does this one with me, but because her box isn't coming till like mid-September, I wanted to show you my box. So I will put the referral link below. If you get the box, it's $10 off with the link, and I think I get 15 in credit, which is kind of cool because I just buy more stuff. So first thing I'm going to show you guys is I actually opened this and got everything out to make it easier. The Amika hair straightener. How cool is that? So this is an $80 value. Absolutely worth it. So I basically paid for my entire box with the hair straightener. And I'm hoping, Mika's like a good hair brand. I always like their stuff, and you get this cool little holder with it. So I was pretty darn excited to get a hair straightener. Next up, I have a Harry Potter wallet, and I actually want another Harry Potter wallet, but mine is falling apart. So I might just use this. This is, it's funny, when I first read this, I was like, what is this? It's called Cut from the Cloth. And this is a $60 value. I'm like, wow, is this like a designer wallet or what? I'm like, that's really crazy, $60 value. But it's kind of cute. It kind of has like a Halloween feel to me. I don't know, these stripes. So I'm definitely going to use this for my new wallet. So that was really cool. Oh, I got a pepper mill. This is one of the things I selected. This was $21.95. So salt and pepper. So that was kind of cool. Next up, oh, this is an awesome product. So the Avita Damage Ready. What is the cost on this one? This one is a $30 value. I always used to get like the tiny samples of this, and this is one of my favorite like deep conditioners, and smells really good. I usually use the Lush hair bars, and then putting this on top really kind of does wonders for my hair. So I'm super excited we got that. We got three kind of body and facial products I got. One of them is from Harper and Ari. It's an exfoliating sugar cube. Check this out. Is this not the most like unusual product? So you take these out, do not eat them. They look like sugar cubes, and they smell like melons. How funny is that? And then you use these on your face or body to exfoliate. So I was like, well, that's kind of cute. I don't know if I like the scent too much. It's a little melony for me. But $16 value. It'd be cool if they had these in like different scents though. So those are pretty cool. I also got Human Plus Kind skincare with a conscience. This is a body souffle. And this is apricot. And what does this smell like? This is definitely fruity. And it's funny because I'm not really into the spring fruits as much. This is made in Belgium. I may give this to like my aunt or my mother-in-law because they're really into that kind of stuff. And I'm kind of into the Bath and Body Works right now, like the sweet cinnamon pumpkin. So I don't know if I want to switch to apricot. Next up, from the Better Skin Company. This is Better Skin Lava Magic Cleanser Scrub Mask. This is actually, everything is white, so it's like reflecting weird. This is pretty darn cool. The value on this one is $32. This has got sweet orange, nourishing calendula, I don't know what that is, sweet orange, grapeseed oil, cucumber, parsley, and chamomile. It's got a pretty spicy scent. Check that out. But it does look like a really nice scrub. I like these scrubs because they do really well with like exfoliating. So I will definitely use this. It purifies your skin. Scented with a hint of orange. I don't know if that smells orangey. It smells strong. And the final thing I got, holy cow, I need this today, I swear. If you saw my bonfire bash video, I was getting a little crazy. Need to calm down today. I've been doing too much today. So anyway, we got one of the Aromatherapy Associates London Deep Relax Rollerball Restful and Tranquil Roll-On. And I have to say, I love these things. Maybe a year and a half ago, this is a $29 value, by the way. I got from, this is Aromatherapy is what it is. This was a chakra booster, and holy cow, these smell so good. As you can see, I probably used about half of this one. They last forever, but they're really, really strong. Um, I usually like use these at night, like if I can't sleep or something, because the scent lingers for a while, and it just smells so good. So it looks like this, and there's like a little roller ball on the end, and you just kind of like put it on your wrist and rub it in, and it just has like a really awesome, like apothecary, like strong oil scent, and it does kind of like relax, which I really need today. This one is deep relaxing. So I was super excited. See, they're very similar in size. That's what they look like. They have the roller ball. I was so excited to get that because I'm like, I definitely need that today. Is it a full moon, you guys? I don't know. So anyway, I was thinking about burning a candle tonight. I don't know if I'm going to have time. This is like crazy. School starting. My husband this morning is like, did you make my lunch? I'm like, lunch? Lunch. It's a Monday. So anyway, like I said, if you want to laugh, watch Bonfire Bash. I don't edit my videos, by the way. What you see is what you get. So anyway, FabFitFun. I really hope you enjoyed this box. It's pretty awesome. It was a $286 value, and it's funny because I think my summer one actually was a higher value, but I like this box better because I feel like there were more things in it that actually fit me. Favorite things are, oops, what did just drop on the floor? Oh, it's just the hair cream. Favorite things are the Aveda hair cream, the straightener, the aromatherapy, and the wallet. I think those are my three favorites. I mean, the facial stuff's good too, but if I had to pick favorites, I'd pick those things. So anyway, there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hit the subscribe button, and you might see me later with a candle. I don't know. We'll see if I have time to do one today. If not, it'll be here tomorrow. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.